Do you think AI will replace humans?
Yes, definitely.
Why do you said that?
Take this podcast, for example. This is human job we have taken away.
Hello guys, I found a free AI video generator that allows you to generate long dialogue video for absolutely free. Yes, you hear me right. And this is not just that kind of tool whereby you get to have access to Grok or Veo tree, and in a short period of time they actually ask you to subscribe. No, it's not something like that. And in this video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and walk you through this new AI video generator. And guess what? I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how you can get your story, generate the image, and also show you the free AI tool, how you can convert those images to video. So all I want from you now is to just pay very close attention, relax. Let me walk you through everything step by step in detail. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to first get an image, right? And the reason we are getting the image is that is the image that we are going to use to convert to video. So when we head over to the platform, the free AI video generator platform that I'm about to show you, this is the image that we are going to use to convert to video. So let's quickly get a prompt from ChatGPT here that we are going to use to generate that image. So a quick one, let me say, what do you want to create? Let me say, for example, we want to create a simple podcast video, a realistic AI podcast video, right? So I'm going to type this little prompt. So I'm going to just type a simple prompt, okay, of what I want to ChatGPT. Alright, so I just type a simple prompt like this in order for ChatGPT to help me to optimize it to get a real prompt that I'm going to be used to generate the image. I say I want to generate a realistic AI podcast of Nigeria guy and a lady. They are both in their 20s. I try to declare their age, and I say the name of the podcast is Special Africa, which I can see at the background. Okay, that is the name of the podcast. I want to see like a kind of neon light, the name of the podcast at their back, right? So after that, and I say act as a prompt engineer and optimize this to get a modern professional podcast. So ChatGPT is going to act as my prompt engineer and rewrite this my prompt for me to get a professional podcast prompt that I'm going to use to generate a very good realistic podcast image. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, in few minutes, ChatGPT was able to help me write a very good podcast prompt. Look at it, okay? Okay, compared to what I wrote, I just wrote simple something, and ChatGPT helped me to optimize my prompt, okay, of what I want. Okay, look at it. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and copy this prompt that ChatGPT gave me and then head over to any image generator. Okay, I can use same ChatGPT to generate the podcast image for me, or I use Google Nano Banana. Okay, now let's use Google Nano Banana, and I'm going to be accessing my Google Nano Banana from Flow. So what I need to do now, let me just copy this prompt and then head over to my Flow to generate the image. So now as you can see, I just copy it. Alright, so here we are on my Flow. Click this new project. Go ahead and click the new project, and then you are going to see this Nano Banana, right? Go ahead and click this Nano Banana. So when you click it, you are going to see image or video, right? For the purpose of this video, it is image. So click the image and also select your aspect ratio. For this, we are going to be using 16:9, and then select your output per prompt. Okay, put it on X2, that is 2 image per prompt, and then go ahead and paste the prompt that we just got, and then go ahead and hit OK. So now let's watch and see as our image is being generated. Alright, so without wasting much time, our image has been generated. Look at it. It is 2 actually. Look at one and then look at the first one. Okay, so you can go ahead and download anyone that you prefer. For me, I prefer this first one. Alright, I prefer this one. So you just have to go ahead and download it by clicking this drop down arrow. Okay, go ahead and click it, and then 2K resolution. So the image is going to be upscale and be downloaded into your computer successfully. Alright, so now that we have gotten the image for the podcast, next is to show you the free AI video generator that you can use to convert this image to video. But before that, we need a prompt that we are going to use to convert this image to video, right? For us to get that, let's head over to ChatGPT and get that prompt. We will need a simple prompt like this. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to help me write a detailed prompt that I can use to convert this image to video. Now see what I'm going to type. All right, so see what I type. I say, help me write a word detail prompt that I can use to convert this image to video. And then I put a dialogue. That is what I wanted to say. I say, the lady had the right to say, do you think AI will replace human? And then the guy at the left reply, yes, definitely. Okay, so this is what I want them to say. It's a very simple video, right? You can add more if you want to, because this AI video generator is up to 10 seconds, unlike VO3 that is just 8 seconds. Okay, what I'm about to show you can generate up to 10-second video. Okay, just like your Grok. So pay attention to what I'm doing, right? So what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. All right, so within few seconds, ChatGPT was able to give me a detailed video prompt, okay, that I can use to convert that image to video. So what I need to do now is to copy this prompt that ChatGPT gave me, this video prompt. So I'll just have to go ahead and copy it. All right, as you can see now, I've copied it. Now it is time for me to show you the free AI video generator that you can use to convert the image that we generated from flow to video. Now let me show you that. I know this is what a lot of you have been waiting for. It is the time right now. Let me show you. A quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video? How to create a chatbot using AI? How to create a responsive website using AI? How to create any type of flyer or logo using AI? Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more, then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. So to access the AI tool, come here to your browser and then search for $AI. Okay, $AI. So go ahead and hit OK. So this first link, as you can see, this particular one, $AI.com, right? Go ahead and click it and it's going to bring you to their landing page. This is their landing page. So what you need to do now is to go ahead and click this login up here. Click the login and then you have to go ahead and log in using your Google account. Okay, all right, so I just log in using my Google account. So this platform is just like your ChatGPT. As you can see, look at the interface. So if you do not be careful, you are going to think it's your ChatGPT, and the interface is very user friendly, just like ChatGPT. You just have to be communicating with the AI, right? But for the purpose of this, and also there are a lot of things for you that you can come here and explore. For the purpose of this video, you want to generate video, right? You just have to go ahead and click this AI creation. All right, so if you click the AI creation, it's going to bring here, as you can see, put it on video, and you can see the model, select Seedance, and then select the duration 10 seconds, and then go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Okay, 16:9 for YouTube purpose, and click this reference image to bring in your image. So let me select the podcast image. Okay, I just selected it. So now what I need to do, it will load and then I'll paste the prompt. Okay, it's not difficult here. All right, okay, so now what I need to do now is to go ahead and paste the prompt, and then I'll just have to go ahead and hit OK. All right, so let's watch and see as our video is being generated. All right guys, so our video has been generated, and as you can see, look at that. Okay, wow guys, this is top notch. Look at the quality, everything is top notch. Now let me play the video so that you see what we get.
Do you think AI will replace humans?
Yes, definitely.
Do you think AI will replace humans?
Yes, definitely.
All right guys, so this is top notch. I love the quality, how the video, everything just went perfectly. Okay, everything go very well. All right, if you notice, there's kind of is like the guy paused, right? I was the one that is from the prompt, is from what I actually type. So I'm going to show you that later. Okay, where that pause come from, I will show you later when we want to generate the continuation, right? Wow guys, this is top notch. All right, so for you to download your video, you are going to see saved up. Okay, go ahead and click this save, and your video is going to be saved into your computer successfully. All right, so I want to generate the continuation because this conversation do not end here. I want the lady to talk again, I want the guy to talk again. Now let me do that. So for me to do that, I'm going to be using this same prompt. Now let me show you. I'll come here to the prompt. So this is the prompt that I used to generate the first one, right? I'll copy the prompt and then I'll just go back to my AI creation. Okay, so I just come to the AI creation. So I'm going to make sure that my aspect ratio is set to 16:9, my duration 10 seconds, and also it's on Seedance 2.0 fast. Okay, and then I'll select the reference image. Okay, select the reference image. I'm bringing in the same image. Remember, I'm going to be using same image, same prompt. Okay, because it's the continuation of the video, right? I'll paste the prompt, but this time around, I'm going to be changing something, right? I'll change the dialogue. Okay, the dialogue that they had. Look at the dialogue here. Okay, I'm scrolling up now. The dialogue, the gear say, "Do you think AI will replace human?" Okay, this time around, I want the gear to say, "Why do you say that?" And then the guy will now replies, "Take this podcast for example. This is human job you have taken away." So that's what I'm going to be changing here. So I'm going to be changing that. First of all, let me remove this thing. Okay, and that is where the long, okay, the pause, that hold that guy hold that time that I told you, that is the prompt that it comes in. Okay, the guy was paused for long. So now I'm going to be changing the dialogue now. So let me change the lady's own, this one that say, "Do you think AI will replace human?" So I'm going to be replacing it. I'm going to delete it. So I will delete it, and then I'm going to put, "Why do you say that?" Okay, as you can see, I just put it, and then the guy is going to respond, okay, and then the guy is going to reply. Also, the guy is going to reply and say, "Take this podcast for example. This is human job we have taken away." Okay, you see, but okay, so now what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit okay. So now let's watch and see as our video is being generated. Remember, same prompt, same image. I only change the dialogue on the prompt. Alright, so our second video has been generated, as you can see. Okay, so now let me play the video so that you see what we have.
Why do you said that?
Take this podcast, for example. This is human job we have taken away.
Why do you said that?
Take this podcast, for example. This is human job we have taken away.
All right, guys, so this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. I love this. And look at the quality of the video and quality of the audio. Actually, I'm not surprised. This is Seedance 2.0 fast that we have access to for absolutely free. Okay, and the truth is, this platform give you points every day that you use, daily point, just like ChatGPT allow you to use their high intelligence model for a period of time, right? Every day it resets. That is how this AI actually works. Okay, it's like almost unlimited, right? But it is not 100% unlimited. They give you point, daily point. Okay, so I love this. So this is what we want. We got it right. So now after you generate the two video, you need to merge it together. You just have to put it together using any video editing software. For me, I'm going to be making use of CapCut. Just bring the two of them together, and then you just have to go ahead and export it. Now let me quickly show you that on CapCut. All right, as you can see, here we are on my CapCut. So what I need to do now is to go to my file where I downloaded it, my download, and then I'll drag and drop the two video file. As you can see, look at it. Like this, if I like, I go ahead and export it directly. But if you notice, there's an empty space. So immediately the lady asks the question, the guy paused. You see, before he start talking. So that's the empty space, the hold. I will just delete it. Okay, I'll delete it. And then the second one also, the lady asks, "Why do you say that?" And then the guy paused.
Definitely.
The guy paused also before he replies. The pause was too long, so I'll cut it out also. So when I'm satisfied, then I'll just have to go ahead and click this export, and then boom, my video has been exported. Now video saved into your computer. Now let me show you the final result.
Do you think AI will replace humans?
Yes, definitely.
Why do you said that?
Take this podcast, for example. This is human job we have taken away.
And this is basically how you can use this free AI tool for absolutely free. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice in the comment section. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and big JohnAb as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.